Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Suzuki V-Strom 650 Adventure. This bike is loaded with touring accessories, ABS brakes, V-twin, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected. It's got that adjustable visor on the windscreen so you can really tailor the wind. Light bars, standard equipment, these awesome locking Suzuki side cases, and those frames that hold them are quick release, so you can take the bags and the frames off if you don't want to use them. Really nice dual purpose tires on this bike. Beautiful gray and black metallic finish. Only $57.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.